Usually, ruck marches aren't something military personnel volunteer for. But for some, the Maine Marathon Tribute March is the least they can do.
I'm ruck marching it because it's a tribute march, and by being here with the rest of my my fellow soldiers and airmen, I've seen some airmen too, we are recognizing Maine's fallen soldiers.
This year is the 9th year of the Ruck March. Those participating in this year's 26.2-mile Ruck March around the Portland, Maine area recognize the 92 Maine military personnel who've fallen while serving their country since 2001. Captain Nehemiah Natras is marching for 3, but has one specifically in mind.
Well, I went to college with him, and we were in ROTC together. He decided not to do ROTC after some time, and he was in my platoon in Iraq when he died.
Natras says the march isn't just about paying tribute, but also raising awareness in the community about our fallen heroes.
By us being out here during this marathon, they can see that their own sons and daughters are serving or have served overseas and have paid the ultimate sacrifice.
The ruck is long, but being with comrades helps time go by. During the last 2 miles, families and friends of those marching and those fallen join the formation.
They do so much for us. It's just a very nice way that we can support them, get together as a family with the soldiers. They've already done good 24 miles. We'll be able to join them in the last 2 to be able to, give them more support for that last stretch after all that they've done.
Reporting for the 121st Public Affairs Detachment, I'm Sergeant Alyson Pelletier.